In this session, I will make some demo about how to query, how to search for products that we already created in previous session. And what I changed today is that I put 150 products to be stored into RavenDB, and I add another function called search. And now I think we can go through some options how we can search for products. So in case I didn't put a text to search, it will load all the product from database, and otherwise it will go here. So I run. I select option 1 to generate all the sample data. Okay, all documents saved, and I can now go to the option 2. I don't enter any text to search, so I expect it will display all the products in database. Yeah, we have 150 products, but here it display only 128 because by default RavenDB only return one page of data with 128 to avoid loading thousands or hundreds of thousands of products from database. So now I go to the other option. I want to search for some product contains, for example, a word in the name. So normally, if we use SQL database, we can put some star and do the like operator. But here it's RavenDB use Lotion to do full text search on text columns. So it means the text fields. So for example, I put this one. I do the search. So I search for all product contain the varieties in the name. Yeah, here we see why it doesn't work, because RavenDB claims that searching for short string may be slow down the application, so they don't allow to search for this way. Now I comment on this and I use this one. So here I will search for some text and product name. I can use 2 and I put 80 for example. Yeah, it found some product here. For example, there are 64 items with a name containing 80. But for example, if I use request, yeah, it contains 4 items only. And now we can try another search. So I search by this. I can use the operator or X, for example. Yeah, so there are more items. Here it found 23 products with the keyword here. But for example, if I want to change to an AND operator, no, it doesn't find any item. I can try another one. For example, ET. Yeah, we see one product. So this is some basics how we can do the search in RavenDB. We can look into the website here, and they explains how we can do the search. For example, we do the query, and here the basic search, and we can put some field like this, or we can use a link syntax, and here we can specify the query with custom index. Another option is that we can search on multiple fields, and we decide which one will be displayed on top of the others. For example, if the name contains some text and also the intro contains the same text, the product with the text appear in the name will be in the first position, and next will be the one with intro. Uncomment this. So here I specify the OR, and here it say by default the boost is 1, but I prefer product with the name before the intro, so I change the boost to 10, for example. And now I start RavenDB. Okay, I select 2, I doesn't enter anything. Okay, so I try to search by com. Okay, here, so on the top, all product with comes will appear in the name, but we can see on the bottom the name doesn't contain com. In the intro field there is a com. We can look for the product with this ID, for example. Here we can see the com in the intro. So I think the boost option is very useful in case we want to order our result. So there are many ways to apply how we can search for the data. So in our application, we often have only one text field to search for the data. But in case we apply the advanced search, for example, we can specify which fields user want to search. The search here, it is available to apply for advanced search.